Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily adjust the background music volume in ElevenLabs Studio so your voice sounds clear, professional, and perfectly balanced. Now, if you've ever created AI voice content, you probably know one common problem. Sometimes the background music is too loud and it overpowers the voice. And honestly, that can ruin your entire video experience. So let's fix that. First, once you're inside ElevenLabs Studio, go ahead and load your project or create a new one. Add your voice track. This could be text-to-speech or a voice you've already generated. Next, add your background music. You'll usually find an option like Add Audio or Background Track. Once your music is added, this is where the magic happens. You'll see a volume control slider for the music track. This is what you need to adjust carefully. A good rule of thumb is this: your voice should always be louder than the background music. Try setting your music volume somewhere between 10% to 30%, depending on the mood of your video. If it's a motivational or cinematic video, you might go a little higher. But for tutorials or informational content, keep the music low so your audience can clearly understand every word. Also, don't forget to preview your audio. Play it back and listen carefully. Ask yourself, can I hear the voice clearly without distraction? If not, reduce the music volume a bit more. Another pro tip: use fade in and fade out effects for your background music. This makes your video sound smooth and much more professional. And that's it. With just a few small adjustments, you can dramatically improve your audio quality in ElevenLabs Studio. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI and content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.